Hello guys, welcome to Mind Your Bull. This is Ricky. Here I am sharing the trade I took in USD JPY yesterday on 10th of December 2024. It is very simple strategy of support and resistance. There is no indicator or messy charts with trend lines or moving lines whatsoever. If you want to learn this simple strategy that can help you identify simple setups, follow my YouTube channel Mind Your Bull. I'm going to share all my knowledge and which will definitely help you improve your trading. My overall win ratio is only 60%, which is more than enough for me to make money consistently. Subscribe to my YouTube channel now and press that bell icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Stay tuned and stay safe. See you guys in next video.